Now, what is happening? What is agenda hunting? Agenda hunting is कुछ इशू उठाओ, इलेक्शन हो चुके हैं, दबाव डालो, कोalition गवर्नमेंट है, हल्ला बोल हल्ला बोल हल्ला बोल। अभी हल्ला बोल में स्टूडेंट्स का कोई कुछ नहीं होगा, उनको उठा दो, स्टूडेंट्स को सड़कों पे निकाल दो, हम पार्लियामेंट के अंदर करेंगे और हमारी फ्रेंडली मीडिया उसको सपोर्ट करेगी, हल्ला बोल हल्ला बोल हल्ला बोल, एंड दैट इज द आइडिया। नाउ यू विल टेल मी व्हाई इज दिस, हाउ कैन यू से दिस इज ट्रू और नो? आई विल टेल यू sequence of events. After this, I'll be quiet. First, they said SEBI scam. Stock market went up, then it went down. SEBI scam. Exit poll scam, SEBI scam. Then stock markets went up again. They said stock market scam, SEBI scam. Chala nahi. Then they said, acha, EVM scam. Elon Musk ने कहा है कि प्योर्टो रिको में ईवीएम्स हैक हो सकते हैं, इसका मतलब है इंडिया में भी हैक होंगे। ईवीएम स्कैम से हल्ला बोल नहीं चला, मीडिया स्कैम नहीं चला। ओके, लिसन, थर्ड आइडिया लेट मी टेल यू। फिर उन्होंने कहा कि पाकिस्तान ने अटैक किए रियासी में, इसको इशू बनाइए। उस पर भी कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आया, बिकॉज एवरीबडी नोज नरेंद्र मोदी स्टैंड्स टुवर्ड्स पाकिस्तान। लास्ट रिजॉर्ट इज नीट। अब कांग्रेस ने बोला है अच्छी तरह से अपनी सोशल मीडिया मशीनरी को उठाइए, स्टूडेंट्स को यूज कीजिए। जिन स्टूडेंट्स को 650 मिले 720 में से, उनको होप दीजिए और उनको यूज कीजिए, मगर कुछ भी कंस्ट्रक्टिव मत कीजिए। आई एम सेइंग टू स्टूडेंट्स टुनाइट, स्टूडेंट्स, यू आर स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ, यू डू नॉट नीड अ 54-year-old Rahul Gandhi to be your leader. You should be your own leader. And you should push the government. There's enough pressure on the government through networks like Republic. We put more pressure on the government than anyone else. Everyone knows the number of phone calls we put on that. Now, listen, Amisha.
Simple.
Amisha, you took the first 15 minutes.
That is the demand of the NEET students.
Yeah, but you know.
And the NET students.
I don't trust politics.
You ban NTA?
I don't. Yeah, I am saying, Amisha, I am saying let heads roll in NTA. I told the minister on this program which you are on last night, please don't wait for Supreme Court order and cancel NEET. So I'm being very tough with them. I'm saying, why are you getting into this? Let the politicians stay out of it.
I'm a student myself.
This
is not just an issue.
Have you taken NEET?
One exam.
Have you taken NEET?
I am.
Did you sit for UGC NET?
No, yeah.
Did you sit for UGC NET?
I'm a stakeholder myself.
Are you sitting? No. Are you sitting for CLAT? Are you sitting for CLAT?
We don't even, by your logic, we don't even need governments. No.
Nah, Amisha. Now
we don't even need
okay. I doubt. Okay, so here's I doubt the intentions.
We don't even need journalists representing the voices of the people.
But that's what you would like.
In a democracy,
that's what you would like. You know, it's like I'll tell you one thing. I'll tell you one thing. Amisha, you don't know my background. You don't know my. You probably don't know my background. You don't know my background. When you guys were in power, I pulled the carpet under your government when Suresh Kalmadi, supported by Congress leaders, carried out the CWG scam. So please, and that point of time when India Against Corruption was formed, I said that's a marketing gimmick. The scams have been exposed by yours truly, and India Against Corruption was a marketing gimmick. So I don't trust Kejriwal, I don't trust Prashant Bhushan, and I don't trust you guys. Professor Kapil Kumar, the three professors on the debate right now.
I don't trust the government in,
the situation is this.
Okay, just wait. Okay, Amisha, give the others a turn. I'll come back to you.
Oh.
Professor Kapil Kumar is getting angry. Yeah, go on.
No, it's not angry. You see, the question here is, as you said rightly in your introduction, that no one is interested in what the student's interest is and how to protect the student's interest. If these governments would have been really interested in protecting the students' interest and to make the system zero-free in these kind of situations, you have given the history of these paper leaks. I, as a professor who has taught for 44 years, I know, I have dealt with these situations when the papers were leaked. It's a mafia which operates. Everyone knows which is that mafia, but since they have their contacts, they have their connects, they have their commissions, no one dares to even push this mafia in the bar. What will happen is, just those, you see, it is a chain. A paper is leaked out, it is sold at say 50 lakh rupees. That person sells it for 30 lakhs rupees to 10%. Those 10% sell it to other 50% for 10 lakh rupees. And by the time it comes to the students, it is 2,000 rupees. It is this kind of a chain which works.
Are students being
this
used?
chain is
Are
working.
students being used? Are students going to be used, sir?
Definitely.
Are they going to be used?
You see,
And will they get a solution out of
You
this?
see, I'll tell you, Rahul Gandhi here had an opportunity to prove to this nation that he thinks positive and he wants to do something constructive, and instead of
What should the
I'm telling
students
you,
do who are getting calls from the Congress? Come meet our leader. Make it a political
that's
protest.
I want
What
to
should the
say.
students do?
Instead of telling the students, look, this is the constructive solution I'm offering for you. He's asking them to come to the street.
Should use.
So that means it's a part of the toolkit. All these police paper leak and all, the Rajasthan paper leaks were okay. No comments on that, as you said. Why can't Rajiv Gandhi prove himself to be a positive leader? Okay, this has leaked. Mr. Modi, these are our suggestions, improve the system. He won't give that. He will only say students come out on the streets or Modi hatao, as you said.
So this is a
the government
VP
can follow
Singh
this.
VP Singh
This is
approach.
your political motive. You are not for the students.